So this is the Samsung remote right here. And is it a universal remote? Well, there's only one way to find out. As you can see, this is my Samsung TV. We're going to hit that remote and see what happens. And look at that. It turned on. All right. So hit all the functions. It does work. Now, just so y'all know, y'all can see me switch up. Let's exit that. Press some buttons. We can go over. I will say yes. So yes, that one. And to test its universal capabilities. Now, please everybody, don't mind this. I'm going to go over to my other settings on TV. I'm just going to cover you. I am reviewing this remote that is a replacement for our TV. Basically, these buttons from our original TV remote stopped working. And it's just a Samsung 55-inch that we've had for, I don't know, 2 or 3 years. But the remote stopped working. So this replacement is good. These buttons do not seem to work, but I don't care. No one in my family cares. You can easily navigate around